All right, we're back with Cameron and the build of his Voron 2.4 3D printer. Take it away.
Okay, well, as you can see, we now have it right side up. So I've been doing a lot of work, but I thought I'd show you underneath, since in the previous video, it was all a big mess of wires. And I've
Wow,
done a
that's
lot
nice
of
and neat, isn't it?
cleaning it up and making it nice. I have a few more wires that I need to run, so I'll end up at some point taking those covers off and running a few more wires, but that's what it looks like
Okay,
underneath.
so that's all but done, right?
Yeah.
Would you say? Okay.
Yeah.
And then you did this grill, sort of. I don't know what the proper nomenclature is, but
Yeah, they call it a skirt
a
around the
skirt.
bottom, so it
Okay.
just kind of cleans everything up. But they're on the other side. There's a couple of fans that blow air across and keep things cool under there.
So just for orientation, is this the front?
No, this is the side. The
That's the
front
side?
is over here with the screen.
Oh, okay.
And so we have one of the tool heads in here at the moment to help put it together. So kind of the thing that I'm working on right now is the umbilical cords. So each of the heads will have a set of wires running to it, and and a piece of this PTFE tube which carries the filament. So this will actually run down and plug right in there.
What is PTFE?
I don't remember what it stands for. It's a type of plastic that this tube is made out of. And then all of this will attach to a piece of music wire like this. So it's, again, I'm still working on getting it all together, but basically all of these wires and this piano wire or musical wire connect down to the tool head, and will connect to a plate back here in the back that isn't mounted at the moment. But when there's multiple heads, you have to have this umbilical connected up to carry the communications and the power and the plastic to the head.
Okay. Is this the floor of the printer? Is that what it'll look like?
Well, that's the magnetic bed. So if you'll hang on a second, I'll grab the build plate. And so this is the build plate. So this is what will actually be
so
planted on.
That rides on that?
Yes.
So does it just sit on that?
Yeah, there's magnets. All of these round things are magnets, and they hold it down. And I would stick it on there, but the head is kind of in the way at the moment.
All right. Okay.
Actually,
very good. So what percentage of the way done do you think you are?
I don't know. What did I say last time?
I don't remember. I want to say 60.
So something like that.
Okay. Now somebody had asked us if you could engrave this build plate in the fiber laser and do, like a custom logo or a design or a name or whatever. But we determined that because of the coating on the build plate, that would be unsafe.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to do that on the coating. So these build plates are made out of steel.
Okay.
And then they have a coating on them, and so this has kind of a little bit of a textured coating.
Mm-hmm.
But the other side has a smooth one, and it actually peels off, and you can see they actually did put their name on the steel.
Yeah, they sure did.
So the name of the company that I bought most of my parts from and that this build plate comes from is West 3D. And so that's actually underneath this coating.
Okay.
And so you can print on this. So yeah, you could take a blank steel plate and engrave that on the laser, and then you could coat it like this. But you obviously wouldn't do that on this side because this is a thicker coating and this doesn't peel off, whereas this side, the smooth side will peel. It's very, very hard to do, but it can be replaced. So it can be peeled off and replaced. But this other side is, I'm not sure exactly how they put this on here, but it's like a powder coat.
It feels bumpy though, and so almost like a textured cookie sheet where that helps you with non-stick. Is that what that's for, like for an easier release?
Yeah, yes, exactly. It's basically the plastic and the build sheet uh, change size. Temperature expansion is different between the two, and so after you heat this plate up and you print on it, and as it cools off, you can actually hear the plastic popping off of it because it's
Oh,
separating.
so it wouldn't really
Um,
do that on the other side, or would it?
no, it wouldn't do it on the other side. Also, this side will give it a more glossy finish on the parts that you print on it, so you can also get
Oh,
different textures on the print that
okay.
you're creating depending on which side you use.
Interesting. Okay, I wouldn't have known that.
There you go.
All right. So is that it for tonight? You're not going to give us a percentage.
I'm not.
You're not.
Maybe a few. I didn't work on it that much this weekend, just a few hours, so
Right.
I'm
What
only a
what
little
were you
bit
doing
more.
instead?
That's for another time.
Okay. All right. Well, see you everybody.